Hi mommies. So baby is now 3 months old. And I'm here to show you Play Kit Subscription from LovEvery, which is the charmer kit. Has for me. So this is the box. Love every memory. Love every bedtime. Sweet. So baby is 3 months old now, and yeah, so I'm opening it for you. The charmer. So here's the poster. And at the back of the poster is this suggested timeline for introducing plaything. I also subscribe to their book. So I have this Life Around Me book from LovEvery, and this cutie wooden book, which is I really like. Now it's with colors, animals. Wow. Looks so fine. See, there's a LovEvery logo over there. So pretty. I really like this wooden book. So there, it's the book. This is the Life Around Me. Oh, new book for me, baby. Nice. I'm excited for this too. I love books. So there, so I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of this box aside from those books. So there's the box. It says designed by experts for your baby's developing brain. So nice picture. It says Play Kit months 3 and 4, the charmer. So what's inside? So suggested timeline for introducing playthings. First up is the mirror card. So I'm gonna look for the mirror card. This one is the framed mirror. There. See, I can see myself. These are the things included in this play kit. This is my second play kit. So I'm gonna look for the mirror. Mirror card. Oh, there. So there's the mirror. Kasama na siya dito. It's just one piece. There. So it says remove protective film before giving to child. This is the third mirror I have. So I have the mirror over there already. And for this one, maybe I'm gonna keep it for now. Okay, put it there. So next is the soft book. So where is the soft book? So here. Wow, this is nice. It's a big one. I didn't expect it's a big one. So this is the soft book. So there's a pop-up thing over there. And from the suggested playthings, they said we can put the family picture here. So baby can take a look. Something inside here, pop-up. And there. This is a pizza thing. Oh, nice. And there's another one here. Or maybe I can put the mirror here. And then the family photo here. and this. So there's a lot of textile here with different textures. Nice. Just like that one. Feel me from the Palladium. But this one is on the go because we can bring this soft book whenever we travel. And there's this colored. Oh, pop up again. And this one is a pocket. Another, we can put, maybe this one, we can put this, yeah. And another pocket over here. So that's the soft book. It's really soft. I wonder if I should wash it before giving to the baby. But yeah, so there. And next one is the black and white card set, which is over here. This is cool. Baby loves looking at these black and white card sets. And now it's it's getting better because from the other kit, this is the other one from the kit. It's just basic shapes. Basic shapes. This is from the Looker kit. Yeah. And now it has some, it's more to it. There's more to it. So it's a cat and a fish. And this, I remember this one. So trees and a dog. Wow, this is pretty dog. And a snail. And a tent. This is pretty. These are pretty card, black and white card sets. I'm excited to use this. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, next one is the crinkle bag. So here's the crinkle bag. The baby's sleeping, so I don't wanna crinkle it too much. So this is the crinkle bag. Oh, the baby can put it inside. I mean, the baby's hand can put inside. And we're gonna crinkle. Sobrang ingay siya. And it's a pocket too. Nice. I remember from the video of LovEvery, it says this is parang inspired by her son's love for a chip bag of chips na crinkly. That's why she included this in this kit. Nice. Okay, let's see if the baby's gonna like it. And then there's a natural rubber teeter over here. So where is that? Oh, nakabalot pa siya. Siya lang nakabalot. I wonder. Maybe because it's a natural rubber. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a rubber. Oh. From the picture, I thought, oh well, it's a rubber. Yeah, it's a rubber. Another teeter. So I guess this charmer kit contains a lot of teeter. Introduction to something to their mouth. And then the silicone triple teeter is over here. Oh, I'm excited for this one. It has a lot of texture. See? Over there. Wow, nice. And the silicone, oh no, organic teething cloth. So another cloth here. It says LovEvery. LovEvery. Yeah. So nice. This is Ociotex Confidence in Textiles. Standard 100. Nice. This is made in wala. Made in China. And there. Okay. So nice. Pretty. It's very soft. Organic knitting cloth. Okay, what's next? What do we have here? So it's the wooden rattle. So it's the wooden rattle. There. No, it's big one too, ha? In fairness. Akala ko maliliit. Sarap niya hawakan. Iba rin yung tunog niya. Nice. And the next one would be the framed mirror. So it's the big one from earlier. So this is the mirror, framed mirror. It's baliktaran siya, and the other side is the mirror. The other one is the high contrast, black and white frame. Nice. Well thought, hey? Good job. And the next one would be the rolling bell. Ooh. Ooh. This is something. LovEvery. So I'm excited for this one too. For the baby to play, not me. For the baby and me. And then there's hand-to-hand discs. Oh, this is cool. LovEvery. Wow. So, sabi, by the month of 3 and 4, the baby would learn how to use their hands. So this one will going to help them like the hand-to-hand basic skill, just passing from one hand to the other. So we'll see. I'm gonna film it. Nice. And then of course we have the talking topics. Oh, there's a book. So this is she. Forgot her name, Jessica. So she's the founder of the LovEvery. And I guess these are her kids, maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure. So there's a book included. Is it just me or is it just me? I like opening the book from the back. More about talking. Young babies process verbal information even if they don't seem to be listening. Yeah, that's true. So I'll read this. Worth reading. What should we talk about today? Nga naman, mahirap nga naman makipag-usap sa bata. Dahil na hindi naman sumasagot. Okay, this is good. This is good. Talking. I need this. I need this. Okay, thank you. Thank you, LovEvery. I need this. So the box also contains this one, safety and warnings. So guidelines for safety use. And also, of course, the handy dandy Charmer Play Kit Guide. They're so thoughtful. Hindi lang sila nagpapadala ng toys to the moms, to the subscribers, but they also make sure that the mommies or the dads have a guide how to use the play kit. So this one is for the Charmer Play Guide, 3 to 4 months. There's ways to play, expert tips, development info, and at-home activities. So, kung di mo alam, you don't know how to play with the kids or with these items, here is the play guide. So, LovEvery. Nice. So yeah, it's Jessica. This is Jessica. Wow. So there, what and when. See? This is a really good play guide. Exploration, kicking balloons, activities. So there. So these are all the things I got from the play kit. And they're all complete. Plus the book. Okay? So I'm oh, that's my shoes. So I'm so excited for my baby to use this new stuffs that I got from LovEvery. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. I'm gonna put it back first. Just in case hindi pa namin siya gagamitin. I'll let him take a look at everything first. And then we're gonna play it. So there. The mirror. I'm gonna keep the mirror because I'm still using one. And this. Okay. That's all for my kit today. I'm gonna take out the books for sure. I'm gonna read it to him. There. And that's it, guys. I'm excited to play this kit to my baby. And we'll see kung ano yung magiging paborito niyang laruan. It's a kit. But for me, I like the book. Wooden book. So sturdy. Grabe. I really recommend this Play Kit subscription. It's kind of pricey, but I guess if you think about it more, it's kind of practical than buying, I don't know, toys. Yeah, ito na yun. No need for another toy. Okay, so that's it for today. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and hope you like this.